How real estate agents can create short form content using AI in the matter of minutes. I personally have experienced massive success from adopting artificial intelligence for my team as the real estate market, call it what it is. It is shitty right now. Sales are gone down. We've keep seeing them dip down, but for me and my team, our sales continue to increase. And it comes down to one reason only, is we have adopted AI and it has put us on the leading edge of having more success than anyone else in our market. So for the people who are maybe like myself that thinking AI was just going to be a fad, it was going to be some other BS that I was going to have to learn that really wasn't going to help, I'm telling you right now, I was completely wrong. I started using AI tools and saw about a 52,000% increase in efficiency, especially when it came to my video production. So I'm going to be showing you in this video exactly the application you can do to create short form content in minutes so you can stay top of mind with your database and get more leads through your social media. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. If you're someone that wants to start adopting AI but just a little overwhelmed with how to get started, how to actually use these applications, I developed a course that's showing real estate agents exactly the right tools and how to use all of them in order to grow your business as a real estate agent and have you actually net more money, because a lot of these tools, if you do use them, are free or maybe $20 to $30. I used to have to spend over $40,000 a year just on my video editing team and social media team. I've now completely eliminated that. What would $40,000 extra in your pocket each year and still being able to produce more content than what I was doing before from using these AI tool applications? You want to sign up for my course for real estate agents on using AI so I can teach you how to get more leads through social media and for it to take you no time at all. So that whole pain point of it costing you a lot of money and taking up a lot of your time in order to do social media as a real estate agent is no longer applicable with using AI. Okay, so first I need to talk about how you need to sequence using your content, and then I'll get to using what application I used in order to create short form content in minutes. So step number one is you need to learn how to use ChatGPT in order to create your content. My YouTube videos used to take me an entire week to research them all, to write them, to get them all ready. I now use ChatGPT and it writes me a video script with all the research I was looking to do in the matter of seconds. It's absolutely game changing. So that's the starting point where you need to go. I've also trained my ChatGPT to understand my business so it focuses on the content that I'm wanting to make as a real estate agent, which is targeted towards luxury buyers that are interested in waterfront homes and acreages in my market. It now provided me an entire content calendar for the whole year on what would be the best videos for that target audience in order for me to get leads, from my social media. I think that's the biggest step where a lot of people go into the time of making all these YouTube videos, making this short form content, and they get no leads from it. Where me, my calendar is absolutely full with people booking calls with me from my YouTube and social media wanting me to buy or sell their home. And I'm using AI in order to target what these people's major pain points so my content does better. So if you want to learn exactly how I'm doing that, it's inside my course. So go to the description there and visit the link and sign up. Your mind is literally gonna be blown how effective these AI tools are that I show in my course. So now that we've used artificial intelligence and ChatGPT to design our YouTube scripts, our content calendar, and it knows exactly who our target audience is, then we got to film the video. So when we film that video, one of the best things to edit it for is Descript. It's another AI application, and if you can use a Word document hitting backspace, you can now become a video editor. So just like I said, the excuse of you not having time or not having the capital in order to be a content creation machine as a real estate agent, those excuses no longer apply. With AI tools, you're now going to be able to be on the leading edge and produce a ton of content using them. So get Descript in order to edit YouTube videos. Now that we have our YouTube video, let's go to the short form application that is game changing, and that is Opus Clip. I take that video link, I post it into Opus Clip, and it spits me out 7 videos based off of what the best hooks are and edits them all and mashes them up on a virality score of what videos it thinks would go the most viral on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you're posting it. And then the best part is inside Opus Clip, you can automatically post directly from the web browser. So no more do you have to download these videos, then re-upload them, and it takes you hours in order to do that. You might have some sucky internet and it's really slow downloading the video. You can do this directly on the platform. So now creating short form content from your YouTube videos is going to take you minutes. And this is exactly how I was able to eliminate $40,000 worth of expenses each and every year I was experiencing for creating as much content as I was doing. I now use all these free applications, and then Opus Clip is about $120 for the entire year in order to generate my content. That is mind blowing, and it's so effective. No longer do I have to guide these people, do whatever. I can just simply put it in there and post it all myself, and it puts the best titles and captions directly on what it thinks will go viral based off of the best hooks there. So if you're someone that wants to learn exactly how to use AI tools in order to start making more money as a real estate agent and getting more time back, I don't think people really realize how much time we work as real estate agents and how hard we do. And this is where AI tools solve all the most redundant tasks that we hate doing, and I teach you how to eliminate all those tasks using AI tools, all the things like following up with emails on clients, doing certain Facebook advertising, and most importantly, taking your video production and turning it into a lead generation machine. My Calendly is completely full with people wanting me to buy and sell their homes from my video content. So if you want to learn exactly how to do that and become a top agent in your market, well, then go to the description and go to my course there, and then you're going to want to join. It's going to be revolutionary on how much value it's going to provide for you in order to increase your business as a real estate agent.